Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set digit to save based on spending habits. Digit can analyze your spending patterns and adjust savings accordingly, helping you to save smarter without overexerting your budget. Let me show you how to set this up. So first thing you got to do is to open the Digit app. So log into your account on your mobile device, or you can choose to do so on the web browser. Now once you're logged in, go to settings or profile. Just tap your profile icon or the settings menu. Usually you'll find that in the top right corner. Then tap on savings preferences or smart savings. Just look for an option that's labeled smart savings or savings algorithm, or it could be labeled behavior based savings. Once you find that, enable spending based adjustments. So just toggle the option to let Digit assess your recent spending activities. The app will reduce savings when it notices higher spendings and increase savings when your spending dips. Once that's done, just confirm and save. So once enabled, Digit will begin adjusting your savings based on exactly how much you spend each month. This is a great way to automate your finances with a personalized touch, saving more when you can afford it and pulling back when things are tight. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.